Usually in the morning I start with a coffee and then later on I have some oatmeal at work. But after the holidays I felt like having something lighter, so I made myself a nice green smoothie. The recipe is from Plenty Thriving's smoothie ebook. It's one of the ebooks that is included in the vegan bundle that is currently being sold until the 9th. You can also find my Christmas ebook in there, and I will tell you more about it after the smoothie. I was very pleased with the color, however it made a very big portion and I have a small appetite, so I divided it into two. Now to the vegan bundle I was telling you about. It's a collection of 60 ebooks, guides and e-courses for only $50. It's a really good deal. It's a 96% discount. If you were to buy them separately, they would cost over $1,300. It's for vegans and non-vegans alike, so it's perfect if you've decided to become vegan this January, if you want to know more about nutrition, get enough recipes to last you 4 years. You also get meal prep plans, workout plans. There's a baking guide, slow cooker recipes, Asian recipes, sauce recipes, plant-based wedding, babies, gluten-free recipes, non-gluten-free recipes. There's seriously so much. I really like it. I have it myself and I cannot recommend it enough. And as I said, it's only available until the 9th of January, so hurry if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on it. And as a bonus, you'll also get 3 months of free yoga with Annie Clark. I was going to reheat this pizza that I had for supper last night, but then I found these little breakfast balls. So they're basically energy balls with oats, dates, and cocoa. So I'm just gonna have like 2 or 3, and in maybe 1 hour, when I'm hungry again, I'm gonna have my pizza. Hi, it's 3 p.m. I just got home. I'm drinking the rest of my green smoothie that I made this morning. I thought I would be hungry enough to have some breakfast at work, so I was planning to have like a second breakfast after the smoothie, but I ended up just having the energy balls and then the pizza. And on the way back, I stopped at the grocery store, at the organic grocery store, and at the Middle Eastern store, so I'm going to show you what I got. At the organic supermarket, I got 2 celeries. I don't know if celery can be plural, but I got 2 of those. And I want to try like the celery juice. I don't want to say cleanse because I don't want to cleanse, but it's supposed to be good for acne, for digestion. And I asked on Instagram and a lot of you thought it was a scam. I'm also not sure, but I've heard so many good things about it. So let me know in the comments below if you're interested in a celery juice series to know if it really works. I also got a few mushrooms. I don't really have plans for those yet, but I love mushrooms, so I'll find something. And then this is a little bit annoying. They put the reduced stuff in plastic bags. So I got 3 bananas. I also got some organic soy yogurt. This one is made with European soy. It's sugar-free and I really like it to make tahini dressings and also just for breakfast. And I bought a red onion. And at the Middle Eastern store I got 2 clementines. They were all quite soft except those 2. And some fresh cilantro or coriander and mint. I also got some pita bread. Here they don't call it pita, they call it flatbread, flattenbrot. So I'm probably gonna have this tomorrow for lunch with hummus. Here I'm having some tempeh. It's kind of a Greek flavor, and I'm just gonna have it with sauteed veggies, zucchini, bell pepper, and I have some mushrooms here. And I'm currently cooking quinoa. Woo! Sorry about that. So it's very similar to quinoa, but it's smaller. It's also gluten-free, and it's really good. It's a little bit like crunchy. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna saute everything, and then I'm gonna show you the finished thing. The quinoa is done. My veggies and my tempeh are done as well. I have some homemade hummus here, so I'm gonna use that as a sauce. I like a lot. I think I'm gonna eat with the spoon, and then I'm adding some fresh herbs. I have cilantro and I have mint from the market earlier. So there you go. Doesn't have to be complicated, it's nutritious, and it's most importantly delicious. So I'm alone now. I'm gonna eat that in front of the TV. I'm watching season 2 of You. It's not as good as the season 1, unfortunately, but we'll see if it gets better. I just wanted to say, in case you were not convinced, and I'm looking at myself because I'm like, do I have quinoa in my teeth? Probably. It's so good. Well, this tempeh, for starters, is really good. So not all tempehs will work like that, but if you take like a very good seasoned tempeh and with the homemade hummus and the fresh herbs, it's just delicious. Highly recommended. I hope you try it. And if you do, let me know, of course, in the comments below. I try not to snack too much, but I have a very sweet tooth. I'm going for a handful of dried pineapple. It probably looks super weird and I think it's not focusing, but oh well. And 2 small pieces of dark chocolate. If you're in Europe, it's such a good chocolate, original beans. I love it, and it's fair trade and organic and everything. I got it for my birthday, so I'm gonna have that, and that's it for today. And then tomorrow I will start the celery juice, so stay tuned if you want to know more about that.